because you probably deal with this on a day-to-day basis, is advising lawyers to go and get these technologies and start implementing them in their practices. So are you seeing a trend in law firms actually using these technologies more due to the pandemic? Because I think over the last 5 years, I've seen it sort of explode. I remember when Clio, I remember when I used to be able to talk seriously to the CEO of Clio on the phone. I once had a meeting with him. I'm not that important. And now
he's a good guy. He'd probably talk with you.
Maybe. He is a good guy. He was very nice, but I'm saying he's so important now. So I've seen it explode, but I'm curious, based on the people that you talk to, are you seeing the same sort of thing happening across all types of law firm technology?
Yeah, that's an awesome question. And so I have a very specific answer to that because I've been thinking about this myself a little bit. Partly because, if you've noticed in the news, there's been a number of big equity deals recently where some of these long-standing companies like Rocket Matter, for example, recently just got bought by an equity group out of New York City. And I would not have anticipated that, right? I think that has something to do with the pandemic, but that stuff is now happening. So I started consulting in 08, 09, as I mentioned. And at that point, that's when lawyers were like, maybe we should start thinking about this whole internet thing. And they started using the cloud, and they adopted law practice management software like Clio. And they did that for a long time. And then everybody was like, lawyers are buying law practice management software. Let's build a ton of those. So for a decade, there are 200 case management softwares just proliferating. Now, I kind of view this as the second wave of legal technology adoption. And I see two things happening. One is that lawyers are starting to adopt more technology. And the second thing is that there's going to be more technology built for lawyers. You see a lot of investment money coming into legal tech right now. You see a lot of people doing some interesting things. And you also see a lot of coalescence around marketing and technology. So you see a lot more marketing tools in legal. There's basically 2 CRM products in the legal industry, which is insane. There should be a Salesforce for legal. There isn't. So there's a ton of room in this marketplace. So I think what you're going to see, second wave of legal tech, is lawyers adopting more cloud products outside of the traditional productivity and case management realm. And that's going to be the next thing that happens. So the answer is yes, in a very specific way.